Greetings again, this is Jim with Aquatic Garden Decor, and now we are going to be talking about container gardening. So here at Aquatic Garden Decor, we basically have three different types of containers that can be purchased. We have lightweight, we have cast stone, and we have pottery. Lightweight is containers that are extremely light that can be used for commercial settings, rooftop. If you have to go up multi-stories, anything like that, this is a great type of container to use in varying sizes, shapes, colors. Next would be pottery. The pottery that we have here at Aquatic Garden Decor comes from around the world. Vivid colors, purples, reds, earth tones, tons of varying colors. And you can purchase them for inside or out. They can be used for parking lot guards, streetscaping again, estate, porches, patios, any desires that a customer might have with pottery, we certainly have. Last but not least, cast stone planters and urns. A planter is more of a pot shape, and urn would be more like a wine glass kind of shape. And again, varying colors and sizes. Multiple cities have bought containers from us literally for their towns. In any kind of situation, you're sure probably to find it here. If it's not here on premise, they can actually be ordered as well. One of our biggest selling features with the pottery is to turn them into bubblers. So you can have a water feature with all of the vivid colors simply by using a pottery vase or pot.
The containers we offer are top quality, best in the world. They can stay out in the winter, provided they are sitting on a solid surface or a well-drained surface. You don't want the container sitting directly in dirt or mulch. In the wintertime, they can absorb moisture from the ground, and that can cause damage to the bottom. As long as nothing fills up with water and freezes, you're not going to have any damage to your container over the winter. Winter plantings, holiday plantings, summer flowers, use it year-round and enjoy it all the time.